Okay, so ano nga ba yung foreign exchange market or Forex? It is a global marketplace in which the currency of a nation is exchanged for that of another at a mutually agreed rate. Okay, so, example, Japanese citizen ka, tapos gusto mo pumunta ng Pilipinas para magbakasyon. Siyempre, di ba magkaiba yung currency ng Japan at yung currency natin dito sa Pilipinas? Kung magbabakasyon ka dito sa Pilipinas at galing kang Japan, ano ang gagawin ng Japanese? Iyan mo sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, di ka makakabili ng mga essentials mo, ng foods mo, pag-rent ng hotels, pang-travel mo. Kasi ang currency na tinatanggap dito sa Pilipinas is Philippine peso. So in order na makabili ka ng mga needs mo, kailangan mo pa pumunta ng money exchanger para makapagpalit ng Japanese yen JPY into Philippine peso. So that is Forex. So kung nakapag-experience ka na makapag-travel, for example, galing kang Pilipinas tapos pumunta ka ng Singapore, nagpapalit ka ng pera sa money changer. Ibig sabihin lang nun ay, nakapag-Forex ka na. Ibig sabihin bumili ka na ng Singaporean dollar gamit ang Philippine peso. So etong Forex ay decentralized network ng mga buyers at sellers. Yun nga, na maaaring yung mga individuals, institutions, businesses ay para ma-convert ang isang currency to another variety of different reasons, such as tourism, commerce, at etc., etc. Hindi katulad ng stocks o kaya ng commodities, there is no central exchange for trading Forex. Instead, yung mga currencies are traded via electronic global network such as banks, brokers, at mga dealers. At syempre ang resulta, ang Forex market ay open siya ng 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week, at nag-close siya every weekend. Depende na lang kung ang trade mo is cryptocurrency. Ang cryptocurrency ay open siya 24 hours, Monday to Sunday. Okay, so currencies are traded worldwide sa buong mundo, in 4 major financial centers in a different time zone. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga time zone na yun? Ayun ay Tokyo, Sydney, New York, at syempre, yung London. Okay, so, Forex market is the largest and most liquid market in the world, na may average daily trading volume na nag-exceed na 6.5 trillion a day. So isipin nyo araw-araw may mga nagtra-trade sa market at mahigit kumulang na 6.5 trillion. So ganun ka-liquid ang market. Sa lahat ng world stock markets combined na hindi man lang nag-close sa entire US stock market na meron lang naman 0.25 trillion daily volume. Forex trading is the act of buying money and waiting on a shift in exchange rates, then selling it back to the market, ideally for a profit. Napakadaming methods and strategies ng mga traders na ginagamit para lang ma-determine kung ano nga ba yung true value ng exchange rates. Okay, itong course na to tuturuan ko kayo ma-develop yung edge nyo and will be based on you mastering these 4 absolutely fundamental skills. 1. Understanding basic human behavioral tendencies. 2. Understanding basic mathematical probabilities. 3. Understanding basic pattern recognition. 4. Understanding how to transcend your own emotional reactions through strategic foresight and master planning. Mastering these 4 skills is how you will extract profits from the market on a consistent basis. Ayun lang. Have a good day and a good trade.